Hello, I am Amir. Welcome to my channel. I have recorded a video about how to get data from Telegram using Python a while ago, and I've been off platform for a while. I see I got like 30, 40 comments in that video, so I thought it may be good to record another video and answer questions regarding that video. Some questions are general topics in that video about Telegram API and about using this Python script. So this video could be useful for users that are going to visit that video or this video as well. Okay, let's see through the comments of this video. I'm gonna sort this by newest. I don't have an oldest filter here. Okay, this is just a compliment. Thank you. The other one. Hi Amir, thanks very much for this. I was wondering if there is a way when I have all the messages to get the user that sent the message in the channel. Thanks again. Thank you, Robin. Uh, yes, actually, you have the user object for the message that you grabbed, but for a channel, it may be only the channel admin. And of course, for private groups or groups that are running by admin, you may just get only a single user, the group admin. But generally, every message have the user object. So if you're in a public channel, if you grab data for a public channel, you can see the sender user of a message. I also see a little conversation is going on here, which I really like. So thank you, Robin. Thank you, the other guys here. Okay, next. Thank you, Amir. I have a question. Is it possible to make a bulk message to all the members of my channel? Because you see, I am organizing a big event and I would like to reach each member in particular. Yes, you could do so. Of course, the matter of bulk messaging is off topic here. It's not about this video. But you can have a Python script to bulk message your users. Of course, there is limitations for Telegram API usage. It may uh, even ban your account based on your message rate. How many messages are you going to send? So be careful about that. But yeah, you can use Telegram send message API to do so. You may have a Telegram bot to implement this, so everybody could start your bot, and this is way better than bulk messaging, and of course, like a known as a spammer for Telegram. Next one. Hi there. Sometimes the app is taking too long time to scrap and even doesn't stop. How to fix it, or how to make it to search messages with a specific keyword. It may be about your connection, the speed of the scrapping, and it may be about the Telegram preventing you to do this in full speed, like as fast as you prefer. But yeah, next one, you for to search messages with a specific keyword, you need to use Telegram search API, which is a bit different, quite different maybe than this getting a message history of a channel or a group. Maxime, thank you. Abu Bakr, hello, thank you for the post. It's very useful. I would like to get audios from a channel, which is a course channel on a weekly basis. If I need every Wednesday class audio from the oldest to the newest, which modification should I give to the code? Thank you, dear Amir. Yeah, thank you. Okay, about that, every message object comes with a media object as well within it, so you can utilize that object to even download that audio from Telegram, and but of course to have that to search for every Wednesday message or based on a hashtag, you need to utilize the search API instead of the history API that I was using in this script. Okay, the Regus here had a problem here. Um I can't reproduce this error. Just make sure that you are using the latest script. You pull the latest script from the GitHub, and you are running this in Python 3. Okay, next one is experiencing a weird bug. When reading messages from a test group I made, it reads weird messages, and I think that is because I am reading messages from another Telegram user's account for some reason. I do not know why this is happening because I use my own phone number and login on my account was successful. Anyone experienced the same? Oh, this is pretty weird to me as well. You may clear the session files Telegram client is creating for you. I'll also try to like install this script in a new folder. Uh, do over everything from scratch. I hope you come up with a solution for this. I see that this is a pretty old comment, and I am a bit shameful that I did not responded or attended to this comment before. I've been shameful for the rest of these comments because these are older than 1 month, and I need to do a better job to stay connected with you guys that are commenting on my video. I appreciate your input here, your comments, and keep doing that in my other videos as well. Okay, next one. How can I add a filter to only read certain messages, please? You need to utilize search API, as I said before. This is something else. I may create another script for that. Let's see. Okay. First of all, thank you for sharing a wonderful tutorial. Thank you. May I ask some questions? Sure. Is it possible for us to do this task on Node.js instead of doing in Python? Sure. As far as I know, there is tons of script for Node.js, and you can easily utilize Python's. You can easily utilize Telegram API in Node.js or generally using JavaScript. Okay. Next one is facing some issue with the reading configuration file. Just make sure that you are just make sure that you get the latest script from GitHub and you configured it correctly, and you rename the config file as well. I see you are using Anaconda here, so it may be related to that. It may not be related to that. Try running this in like a in Python interpreter itself, like a try Python 3 channel. Try running Python 3 channel messages.py. It may solve your problem. And I see Maxim here is trying to help you. Thank you, Maxim, and thank you, Gokhan, for commenting. Okay, next one. How do I get only the last messages? You may have a break inside the loop to like a break the loop after you getting a certain amount of messages, or like after you yeah. John here, this works for private channels or just for public? Actually, this is like a implement. Okay, John here asks if this works for private channels or just for public. Actually, this is utilizing Telegram client itself. So if you are a member of a private channel or a private group, it will get the It will get data from that private channel or private group, but it won't work for the generally for the private channels. This is everything you get via this script or via any other script is based on Telegram API. You can't get any like a private data, any data that Telegram don't allow you to read via its client, like via the Telegram app itself. So this is just an script uh, to read messages automatically. And if you can see messages of a private channel or a private group, yes, this script could read those messages for you as well. If not, this script can't help you with those private channels. So generally, if you are a member of a private channel or a private group, this script could read the messages there as well. Okay, Florian, great video. Thanks. Will the script you provided retrieve all messages from information, all messages information user ID provided from? Yes, everything that Telegram message object has will be included in the result JSON file. So you can have everything there. Okay, Alpha 6. Nice for hacking. Python is an easy language, isn't it? Python could be easy and could be very, very complex based on what you are planning to do with that. But it is quite lovely to do everything with cross-platform, and you can quite do everything with it. About hacking, I don't know, maybe, but as I said, you only get what Telegram provides you via this script. No extra data, no private data could be compromised via this script. Okay. Hello, sir. While I'm trying to run channel user file, I'm getting chat admin privilege are required. Or can you please tell me how to solve it? Sure. Admin privilege, as it is quite telling. As I said, Telegram API only provides you the data that you can see via the Telegram app itself. Basically, it's a Telegram client that provides you these messages. So if you are not a member of a channel, or in this case, you are running channel users, so you are trying to get users of a channel or a group, and for groups that you are not, for channels, and of course groups that you are not an admin of, you can't see the users, or if the group owner restrict this from being public, you can't see the members list. So this channel users file cannot retrieve the users for that channel or a group. To get a channel or a group users, you either need to be the channel admin, or the group owner should allow you to see the members list, and you need to be a member of that channel if it's not a public, or the channel or group if that's not a public channel or group. So the reason for this is that Telegram won't allow you to see the members of the channel or group. You need more permission to do so. Okay, next one. Can you add me more part to how to get updates? I want to already give a message, and also how to scrap a channel from its inception or creation time, which means to get data from the creation time or a specific time in the past. This script provides all messages as much as Telegram lets you to scrap that, grab that data. So this is pretty much of what this script is doing. If you want to be more specific in time, like that, get messages of a specified time, you need to utilize the search API. Does it take real-time messages, or is there some sort of delay? It doesn't take real-time messages. It only grab messages historically, or messages by the time that this script is running. To get real-time messages, you need a bot to be run and grab any message in real time, any message that gets to that channel or group. This bot could grab that message and send it to your API or save it to the database. Okay, this is not a bot. This is a Python script. And how can I use it to get messages of a Telegram private channel? As I said before, you can't do this for a private channel unless you are a member of that channel and you can see the messages of that channel. And you can't do this for the users of a private channel. So I have tried to use your software, but getting error with threat and sync import Telegram channel. Okay, just make sure to grab the latest update from the GitHub. Okay, about getting invalid API key, make sure that you put the correct configuration in the configuration file. And I see that I answered the old comments from here on. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching my video and thank you for commenting on my original video. Keep asking your question on comment section. Though I was off platform for a while, but I am active now on YouTube, so I may answer your questions pretty much fast this time. Thank you.